right. Sit closer to me so that you can hear me better. Up. Yes, if you come together, sit together. Thank you. Yes, feel free to have a seat, please. Okay. You can also sit by the side so as to balance our bowl. Okay, let's see how they arrange the. Okay, yes, please. You can see on the back. I can speak so loud that you will still hear me. Okay. Yes, thank you. Please have a seat. You can sit together and to balance our boat. If our boat is not balanced, somebody may fall into the water while we turn. Okay, time to go. Let's say goodbye to my friends then. Bye-bye. And welcome everyone to the world famous jungle river cruise. I am your skipper today. My name is Royal. Nice to meet you, and I have some reminders for you. Please be careful as now we are traveling on the river. We may get wet. And also, if you want to have photos and videos along the trip, feel free to do so. You are always welcome. Just to keep your cameras well, don't drop them into the river. That will be good. Don't lose your beautiful pictures. Yes, and at the front, we are getting off for the longest jungle river in the world. That is about 4,000 miles long. And at the entrance, we can see the mother elephant and her little baby. The baby is newborn and it is just learning how to use his trunk. Let's have a closer look. The baby is so smooth for now, so no worry, it won't get you wet so bad. But after it has grown up, we need to be careful. On the other side, we have his brother. Hello, time to say hi, but not time to spend. Yes, not yet. One more at the front. That is the father of the little one. Hello. It was hot today, so he found himself the best place here, just to cool off. And now we are in a temple. It is in the true heart of the jungle. And by the side, we have spiders, big spiders. The bigger the spiders are, the more venomous they will be. You see, they're right here and they might jump onto the boat anytime. At the front is this nice Indian elephant god and his king cobras. The king cobras are here. They have the fastest motion and they are the most venomous snakes. Keep going and I'll show you to the crocodiles. They are on both sides of the river. And when they open their mouth, that means welcome to be their lunch. And you see, I hope that you have eaten something because for the crocodiles, they haven't eaten for a long time. At the front, those are my best friends. I mean that my best friends are these gorillas because they are the most pleasant creatures. But just when they are very naughty, you can see the ones with the hands and the pistol in their hands. I hope that they are not so good in shooting because after this turn, I hope to be safe. And now, yes, at the front, we arrive on the grassland in Africa. Here we have zebras, giraffes, and the African elephants. The male zebras are white in black stripe, and the female zebras are red in white stripe. Hello there! They are the most feared animal in the jungle. The African elephant and his mother-in-law. Okay. Do you like giraffes? They always stay in the back because they are so shy and they can eat the best leaves up on the trees. Or you can have a look at the hippos. Each hippo here weighs 6,000 pounds. Hello! And they're big bones, you see? But don't get too close. Don't get too close, please, or else they may sink the boat. You are the lucky one because you didn't fall into the water so that you need not to face the rhino and hyenas. You can see up on the trees, there are no more space. So be careful, stay on the boat and we can go. Okay, this is the headhunters village. Shh. Keep quiet and then we can go back safe. behind the ship. And there are more people here! Stand up and don't get shoot, okay? We need to go as fast as we can. Check to see if you have a dart with you at the back. If you do, throw the dart away, don't pick any souvenirs. Oh, that's really big trouble! Be careful! There's a big splash. Hold high and don't fall into the water. And let's see where we are now. Look at the front, there are some splash. And also at the back, we are trapped now. And we're trapped. Look at the fire here. And it's really angry. There are fire everywhere. Even on the water, the fire is getting bright. That was really hard, right? Now check to see if your friends, your family is all next to you. We hope to bring back everybody, okay? And now before we go, it's time to say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye-bye. Okay. And now let's go. If you enjoy the trip, remember me. I am Royal. I'm your skipper of the day. See you next time, and we shall have another adventure by then. Hey, you're welcome. And now let's count on 3, 2, and 1. Okay, my boat is stopped now. Congratulations, everyone. You are back and you are safe now. Bye-bye.